guys, my name is Kirungi Sam. With me here, I have a periodic table. But this time round, I'm trying to discover what's written there, but I can't. So I am going to visit the A.I.A Academic Foundation YouTube channel to see the discussion about the atomic structure and the periodic table. So I think I can find this information on the A.I.A Academic Foundation YouTube channel. So join me
on the beat.
Hi viewers, my name is Kosiya.
I'm A.I.A.
We are back with an atom. If you have a problem with atomic mass, atomic number, please sit and watch.
If you have a problem with the periodic table and the problem with the atomic structure, sit and watch.
Thank you.
We're going to talk about the fundamental particles of an atom. Fundamental particles of an atom include the protons, the electrons, the neutrons, and the charges and their charges. The proton is positively charged, the electron is negatively charged, and the neutron has no charge. So where are these particles found? The protons are found in the nucleus of an atom, the electrons are found in energy level of an atom, the neutrons are found in the nucleus of an atom together with the protons. So now, how does an atom look like? This is how an atom would look like. So this part is called the energy level. This one, these are electrons. 4 energy levels have a maximum of electrons they carry. Do you know how to label these parts? Pause the video, label the parts and compare them with mine. Another name for energy level is orbital or the quantum shell. Congratulations to you who have been able to label the parts. If you have not been able to label the parts, please pay attention. An atom in chemistry is represented like this: A, X, A, B. Are you able to identify what this represents? Compare your labels with mine and see if they are correct. So for us, we used the sodium, which is represented as Na. The atomic number of sodium is 11 and the atomic mass of sodium is 23. Atomic number is got from the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom, and the atomic mass is the sum of the number of protons and the number of neutrons in an atom. Now, how would the magnesium atom look like with a mass of 24 and the atomic number of 12? It's now time to take you through the first 20 elements in chemistry. My friend Kosiya will take you through them.
Thank you, my friend. So I'll take you through the chemistry of the first 20 elements. In this table, we have atomic number, the column of the element, the symbol, electronic configuration, the group, period, and the valence. Which element is the first in the column? It's our turn to write the symbols of the elements. So let me call upon my friend Sam to come and try to write the symbols of the elements.
Hi viewers, let me try writing the symbols of each element of the first 20 elements. No? The symbol of hydrogen is capital H. The symbol of beryllium is capital B and small e. Is capital N and small e. The symbol of sodium is capital N.
So my friend Sam has already finished answering the symbols of the elements. So let us try and see if all of them are correct. So hydrogen is correct, helium is correct, lithium is also correct. Electronic configuration is the arrangement of electrons in energy levels, starting with the shell near the nucleus. Neon is correct, sodium is also correct, magnesium correct, and calcium, all of them are correct. We are going to talk about electronic configuration. So electronic configuration is the arrangement of electrons in the energy levels, starting with the one near the nucleus. So we shall start with the hydrogen. Of course, hydrogen has only one as electronic configuration. Helium also will be 2. Lithium will be 2 to 1. So the first shell near the nucleus has 2 electrons. So the last will have 1 for lithium. So beryllium is 2 to 2, and the boron is 2 to 3. This means that the first level will have 2, and another one will have 3. So for boron is 2 to 3, for carbon is 2 to 4, for nitrogen is 2. So we have finished the grouping of elements. So I'll invite my friend Sam to come and talk about the period and the valency.
Thank you, my friend Kosiya, for inviting me. So for me, I'm going to talk about period. In short terms, period is the number of energy levels of an electronic configuration of an atom. We have valency, and valency is simply the binding power of an atom. Lithium it has a valency of 1, beryllium 2. We are saying that beryllium has a valency of 2 because the second orbital has 2 electrons. So the reason as to why we are giving beryllium a valency of 2 is because beryllium can easily lose to the gaining 8. So here we have a sample of the periodic table. So here we have a sample of the periodic table, and on the periodic table, these columns you see are the groups and these rows are the periods. So I'm going to give an example. Let me choose like one element. Let me say carbon. So we see here that carbon is in group 4 and has its period is 2. So here it is in group 4. This is the column, and it has a period of 2. So here, meaning that carbon will fall here. So I put the carbon here. So let me give another example of silicon is in group 4 and its period is 3, meaning that silicon will fall here. So write the symbol of silicon. So let me give the last example of sulfur. Sulfur is in group 6, which is here, and its period is 3. So we shall see here, this is the column of groups, which is 6, and the period here is 3. So meaning sulfur will fall here, and we shall write its symbol, which is capital S. Pause the video and use the information in the table to fill in.
We are concluding our lesson saying that a simple periodic table of the 20 elements. So these 20 elements are grouped in two categories where we have the metals and non-metals. First of all, metals are substances whose atom loses electrons for it to react with another element. For non-metals are elements whose atom gains electrons for it to react with another element. So some of the examples of metals in the first 20 elements, where we have the beryllium, where we have the sodium. So those are some of the metals in the first 20 elements. So non-metals have the phosphorus, the nitrogen, the oxygen. So those are the non-metals in the first 20 elements. So this is the end of our video from A.I.A. Academic Foundation, and I remain as Kosiya Vincent Kosiya alongside
Myra Andrew. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.
Thank you for watching our videos. Find it the YouTube channel A.I.A. Academic Foundation.